Hello everyone. Today I'm excited to show you exactly how to convert a Lovable or any AI built website into a WordPress theme using wpconvert.ai. There's no coding, no manual rebuilding. You just upload, convert, and install. So here's a sample website I built in Lovable. It has multiple sections, animations, a hero, some call to action buttons, even some accordions, drop downs. It's a multi-page site as well. So what you want to do here is download the zip file. For Lovable, you would have to connect your GitHub account. Once you connect it successfully, you go to your GitHub account and then you could download your zip file. So let's head over to wpconvert.ai. So this tool here automatically turns any website into a WordPress theme, including Lovable.dev exports. If you exported your Lovable project, what you want to do is go ahead and drop it here onto the dashboard. You can name your project, select the conversion type, and start the conversion. So during this process, the conversion engine detects the header, hero, content sections, footer, and maps them into a WordPress template file with header.php, footer.php, index.php, page.php, functions.php, pretty much everything you need for your WordPress template. Okay, so once the processing is done, you'll see a preview with your conversion summary, and what you want to do is go ahead and click download theme. Just download the theme to your computer. Okay, so I'll show you what comes in the .zip file that you just downloaded. You can see there's a theme.json file. You know, we have the clean CSS files, the data, the images, all the images from your Lovable website, and also the JavaScripts all in here. So let's go ahead and head over to WordPress. Here we're on WordPress. To upload your theme, you go to Appearance, click Upload Theme, choose File. So we'll go ahead and choose our file here. Go ahead and install it. Okay, once the theme successfully is installed, go ahead and click Activate. And now when you go to pages, you can see all the pages are auto-generated, as well as the menu as well. So let's go ahead and view our Lovable website in WordPress. So here's the exact Lovable website running as a real WordPress theme. Same design, same layout, it's a fully WordPress compatible site. All the drop downs work, all the different pages. So it just works like magic. And so if you want to give this a try yourself, go to wpconvert.ai and convert your first Lovable or any AI built website. And I'll see you guys in the next video.